Now we come to question number 3. Find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of sides of triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. These are the vertices given of a triangle. Find the ratio of the area of this area to the area of given triangle. Now triangle ABC is the given triangle, and then we are to find the midpoints P, Q and R of the sides of this triangle. If P is the midpoint of AC, Q is the midpoint of AB, R is the midpoint of PC. Now we will apply midpoint formula to find the coordinates of P, and here also midpoint formula to find the coordinates of Q. Then here midpoint formula to find the coordinates of R from B and C. What is the midpoint formula to find the formula to find the midpoint of a line is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This we have done before also. Now here P is midpoint of AC. So vertices of coordinates of P will be 0 plus 0 divided by 2 and 3 minus 1 divided by 2, or we can say -1 plus 3 divided by 2. Then it comes to be 0 plus 0 by 2 and 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, then 0, 2 by 2, 0, 1. The formula applied to find the midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Now similarly we find the coordinates of Q. Again we have applied the formula, and these have come to be 1, 0. Then coordinates of R also we have put the same formula, and these have come to be 1, 2. Now for triangle ABC. See, this is the triangle ABC. Vertices are A, B and C. 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Then we will apply the formula to find the area of triangle ABC. Again we use the same formula, half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now put the values of all the coordinates x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Here we have put all the coordinates. Now after solving this we get half of 8. Because here 0 is multiplied by any factor, we get 0. Here also 0 multiplied by any factor, we get 0. And here we get 3 plus 1. 3 minus into -1 is plus. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 into 2, that is 8. Then we have got here half of 8, that is 4 square units. Now similarly we will apply the same formula to find the area of triangle PQR. Same formula will be applied, and after applying the formula we have got the area is equal to 1 square unit. Now ratio we are to find area of triangle PQR by area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle ABC. This we were to calculate. Area of triangle PQR by area of triangle ABC is 1 by 4. That is 1:4. We have put the values of area of triangle PQR, that was 1, and area of triangle ABC was 4. It comes to be 1:4. Now this is solution for this question.